Hey fellow riders, today we're going to polish metal on a motorcycle using this stuff. Starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your metal is clean. So definitely clean your bike before doing this. And make sure that it's not hot either. You don't want the pipes or wherever the metal is to be hot. Do it in a garage or in a shaded area. So today we're going to use this Meguiar's motorcycle all metal polish and wax applicator, and then just a microfiber towel to buff it off once it's ready. It's actually a really simple process. I use this quite a bit, as you can see. So what you want to do is get some of the polish, put it on the applicator, and then just rub it in to the metal. Don't have to do it too hard. Just get a nice even coat all around. It really helps the metal pop. It really does look like a mirror once it's finished. I like to get all around, even the parts most people wouldn't even see. But just a light coat, work it into the metal. Kind of has a candy smell almost, like sweet tarts or something. Make sure you have it nice and covered, as you can see. I did clean it, but just putting the polish on is actually getting some dirt off. Just a little bit more. I'm probably putting a little bit more than I usually do, just to show you. And there you go. It's really that simple. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll be right back to show you how to buff it off. Be right back. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. As you can potentially see, the polish has dried. Nice even coat all along the muffler. So now you just take a clean microfiber towel, and if it has a tag, make sure to rip that off so it doesn't scratch anything. I like to fold it so I know where the clean sides are, and then just buff it off. I'm not even doing it very hard, just light pressure to wipe it off. But this really does make metal pop. I didn't know what to expect when I first got it, but I've become a fan. It's really this simple. I mean, obviously, if you have a bike with a lot more metal, it'll take you a lot more time. But honestly, with the waiting 10 minutes for it to cure, it probably took me 20 minutes total. And that's including cleaning it, polishing it, and buffing it right now. So there you have it. Hopefully this helped. Meguiar's all metal motorcycle polish. Great stuff. It's pretty cheap too. I think I got this for $5 or $6 off of Amazon. I'll put the link below, but I would highly recommend it. Makes metal look awesome. Thanks for joining me today as I polished up the bike. Now I'm gonna start her up and let's go explore.